Yeah. You know, it feels so blessed to be back home, and I don't know how to express the excitement. You know, I'm super glad and overwhelmed to be back home. This is Africa, this is Ghana, and this is King Tampo Waterfall.
I'll be home in no time. I promise when I touch down, it'll be like I never left. Singing home in no time.
Alright, other four medawasi. Na mesan so amo akwaba. Say what you made. Na what you penny say wo ba behwe. Na wapa me channel eso. E chere GhProMax. Say ne na samri any your first time I watch channel this one. Wadaro ma yema do na subscribe.
I hope you still remember what I look like. I haven't seen you in a minute. Last night, I had the kind of dream that you just don't wanna wake up from. And that's cause you were in it. So this morning when I woke up, it felt more like a nightmare. Cause I rolled over and I thought that you'd be right there. But nope, I'm just laying here alone on my own, wishing I was on the first flight home. I'll be home in no time. I promise when I touch down, it'll be like I never left. Singing home in no time. By the way, check your phone, cause I just sent you a text saying, hey, I've been gone forever. Yeah, I'm coming home tonight. I'm coming home. We'll be back together. This plane gon' fly. Yeah, I can't predict the weather. No, we can't. But you should know that I'll be on the first flight home. I'll be on the first flight home. And I bet if I left right now, I'd probably make it to you by the morning. So I'm
my cross Africa. We go through Nigeria. Adiana mwana muda mtawada zina vikano taka tunsale ya shudi tu in front of you na mitoto kama ndio mase biari joy atom sini kusuliani dende
kitchen. My favorite pepper soup, you know, your love chicken. You do love kitchen. I mean my favorite pepper soup, you know, your love chicken. Until for fry, I could to fry, fancy natty. At chicho, I told you I'm not the sayati. Most of my soul me more, boy romantic. Other woody na kumemo, okay, you namantic. that could buy a madam, you know your nonsense. What do you told them, Messi?
Kwajo. Ahu ani jiene ne siri na so wada se. Kwabra ni mabetom. Ba uni bibi midru ha ko si ani maha so wada se. Tawai. Elobete unia. Hey. Ba na me twen sem. See this way. This way. Cause na me twen say bia me hu ko si ani maku ba. Ko si ani maku bia ni ha so wada se. Simunia. Kwajo mabeto mefie ni fie Ghana adase uti mu say kwajo emuda ho Ghana brother yaba fie ya we hwe ne nyankofon be so
the fact is odonu ko fu pinsase mosima modo onu ko fu pinsaso Efibo wasembade akukubil na buka senti wasembado ba baby I made dream when you san mechi na munkomio aka selo wantase ami baby I made dream when you san mechi munkomio bebe ina kana me ama.
You know what time it is? This is home and this is Africa, you know. Right here it's home. Oh, this is home, man. This is home. This is home. Catch up, we say this is home. So that's it. If you need home, sweet home, and the guy is back. So, what's up, my people? What's up, Africa? What's up, world? This is that black guy from Ghana, and you know what time it is? I'm right here with my family. You know, I'm super amazed to see my beautiful sister Sandra. She's only speaking English. She can't speak Chi. Yeah. So I'm back again, just meeting my family once more, and you know, I'm super glad seeing my family. You know, this is home, man. This is home, and this is Africa, man. This is my home. So happy I am, and super glad I am. You know. But you guys shouldn't worry. I'm going to get special cameras. You know, I just gave my phone out at the airport, so I'm going to get official cameras and very special cameras, so I can get you super clear, very nice videos. Okay, once I am in Ghana, I'm going to do everything. I'm going to be making documentaries. I'm going to be making, just count on your little boy, and you'll never be disappointed. Okay, GhProMax for you guys. So this is home, man. Miss Angie, you know, I told you when I get home, I'm going to get something special that is fufu. You know, you told me I should make a video and tag you. Officially, this is fufu. You know, tell Mr. Mark that this is fufu and I'm going to enjoy it with my family. You know, I told you I'm going to show you the process of preparing this fufu. So I'll put it on YouTube mainly because of you. This is a special welcome from my wonderful sister, you know. That's her, and the most supportive one. What's up, people? What's up, world? It's still that black guy right away in the Ghana. And you know what time it is? I got my beautiful sister. You know what? You see how beautiful she is? And amazing one, of course. You know why? We are here to shave my hair. You know, my head is just crazy. So I need to have a beautiful cut so I can look extra gentle. You know, I look like a Lucifer. So let's just go in and have, what's the name? Why? Family Saloon. Whoa. So let's just go in and see what Family Saloon got for us. Okay? Yes. So I intended to just walk around and have a few shopping with my people, and I just entered into one of Ghana's finest malls, and I think this is the finest mall. You can see the mall is well arranged, and it's just like the same mall in Africa. You know, it's the same mall as we have. See, it's like the same mall we have everything. You know, super nice, man. This is Ghana, and you know the prices are very low. Like, comparing, this is less than $3. You know, it's amazing, man. Same like the malls we have. You know, it's very nice. It's just Africa. This is Africa. The malls are super amazing. You see, we are in here to have a crazy shopping right here, and you know, trying to get something Africa. And I got, how much is that? Wait, was it 800? Yes, 800. So this is maximum maybe 4.5. Yeah, this is already made, so it's going to be like $4.5. And see.
We Jean, we Jean, we go. Can you hear this song? If you hear this song, get your kicks on. No time, my brother, we gone. We gone. You know, me a grow no more. We no fi waste time for no pagan brothers. No more. They go see we for countryside. If be there, they go see we, oh. They go follow man, them go for countryside. If be there, they go see we, oh. They go follow man, them go for countryside. If be there, they go see we, oh. They go follow man, them go for countryside. If be there, they go see we, oh. They go follow man, them go for countryside.
Time no the wait for nobody what to fuck one. I want to what so the waste time. Everybody get your own blessing. I touch my nasu will be so why you the hate man? By the time I'm with this so better when I be drew I'm on my temal and the bomb baseline. If I say me you mo hint me chinko so ya home my go to I'm in the daytime. If it's a more drama what the love it's an I'm friend I know the call back. I feel like me who's a fame no be.
You know, it's so crazy, and you know, I am all set. I am going to my family, going to see my family. You see, I just got some crazy stuff here to give it to my family, and so sad on my way. See, on my way, then I got a crazy tie. Man, my tie just got blasted. You see my beautiful angel, my junior sister. Hi, Sandra. Oh, don't worry, we'll get it fixed, okay? The mechanic has just came to take it off, so.
For countryside, if you there, they go see you. They go follow man, them go for countryside.
If I think about the place where I came from and all the things that I've been through, it's kind of funny how you niggas wanna say something. Say the BFP me say mo cry me so. Cause I started off broke. Oh, mummy, I'm a con, but the nigga don't choke. Nobody for try me if you know they want smoke. I know it's hard, but I'm giving y'all hope. When you're feeling like the world is against you and you're back against the wall, God is gonna send you an angel. Now me baby, I go rise when you fall, so don't stop, stay strong. It'll be overnight, it will take long. When you go 10 times down, you go rise 10 times up. Sing along.
Can you hear this song? If you hear this song, get your kicks on. No time, my brother, we gone. We gone. You know, me a grow no more. We no fi waste time for no pagan brothers. No more. They go see we for countryside. If you there, they go see we, oh. They go follow man, them go